Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it, tap on this pen at the bottom right corner of your tab menu. Scroll down. Hold your location shortcut after you find it and drag it to the top. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. When you're ready, go back and finally tap on location shortcut. In this pop-up, tap on close to disable location. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my Xiaomi is finally off. In order to turn it back on, click on the same shortcut again. You can also just go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!